how to search on TikTok. So if you want to search on TikTok, like if you want to search for videos, sounds or hashtags, then first of all what you can do is check your internet connection, and once it's stable you can open up your TikTok application. And after opening your TikTok, now you can simply go for the search icon which is on the upper right. Tap on that search, and here you will have the search bar. So simply tap on the search bar and then search for any video that you would like to search. So for example, I'll be choosing baby, and after searching baby, here you will have all of your baby videos. So that's how you search videos on TikTok. And now if you want to search for sound, then you can simply go and search for a song. For example, I'll be searching Baby by Justin Bieber, and after searching, here you will have all of your sounds. So here on the upper side you will have a bunch of options. You will have top, videos, and then users, sounds, live, and hashtag. So you can simply go for sound. If you want to have the sound, here you will have all of the sounds. So you can simply choose any sound that you would like to make the TikTok, and after choosing the sound you can start making your TikTok. And if you want to search for hashtag, then you can again tap on the search bar and search for anything. Like, let me take the previous example, which is baby, and now you can go for the hashtag which is on the upper right side, and here you will have all of the hashtags related to baby. So that's how you search for videos, sounds, or hashtags on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.